And the race on Madame Leonora from the outside is Dragon May. Moving up down on the inside is Atoy for us. My Chic and Blitzkrieg is the early trailer. Madame Leonora by some 2 lengths followed by Atoy for us. Racing on the outside is Dragon May. And running in forward by about 6 lengths, My Chic Blitzkrieg. Down on the inside as they round the 3/4 mile distance, Madame Leonora by some 2 lengths, followed now by Dragon May in second, and 2 lengths corner back in third is Atoy for us, rushing up in fourth by about 5 lengths, My Chic and Blitzkrieg. Passing the half-mile post, Madame Leonora by about 3 lengths, Dragon May still running in second. Atoy for us is racing in third and running in fourth by some 4 lengths, My Chic. And nearing the far turn, Madame Leonora is still leading by some 2 lengths. Dragon May is getting closer in second. Atoy for us racing in third and My Chic Blitzkrieg. And nearing the last 500 meters more to run, Madame Leonora. Dragon May is on the outside as they race the last 250. It's now Dragon May from the outside. Madame Leonora down on the inside. Atoy for us. And ring the last 150 meters more to run. Dragon May from the outside. Madame Leonora. And finally, it's Dragon May with Alan Ignacio Berba, followed by Madame Leonora. Atoy for us, My Chic and Blitzkrieg.